Welcome to the VG Tutorials. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to use the OCR analysis for text recognition in VGSTUDIO MAX. To perform an OCR analysis in VGSTUDIO MAX, you capture the text you want to have recognized by creating a region of interest, an ROI. There are two approaches to create the ROI: on the basis of a geometry element, or defining the ROI manually. In this video, I will show you how to create ROIs manually. If you have a license for the coordinate measurement module, you can also take a look at our other video on OCR analysis that shows you how to create the ROIs out of geometry elements. And if you want to follow this video, you can download the example dataset from your download account. Okay then, let's get started. The sample I'll be working with is the VG cube that has volume graphics written in the bottom right corner. This is the text I would like to get recognized and added to the information in the object properties. The first thing I'm going to do is perform a surface determination. As a next step, I'll align the volume object using the simple alignment function. No worries, the alignment does not have to be perfect. Once I am done with the alignment, I'll locate the text in one of the 2D windows. In my case, I'll take the front one window. Here it is. Now I'll create a region of interest at this location. On the Select tab, I'll select the Rectangle tool. Then I'll draw a rectangle around the text. Next, I'll expand the ROI into the third dimension. To do so, I'll zoom into another 2D window, in my case, the top one window, and expand the ROI. Not too much though, the ROI should be as thin as possible. Once I'm done, I'll click the Create Region of Interest button here to create the ROI. And with my ROI created, I can now set up the OCR analysis. In the scene tree, I'll select the volume, and I'll open the OCR analysis dialog via Analysis OCR. Now, the first thing I need to do in this dialog is choose where I want the information to be saved. For this example, I'll choose the description field under Component Info. That's done, so let's get to the text recognition. In the text region field here, I'll select the ROI I just created. Okay, it looks like my ROI is the wrong way around, and the text cannot be recognized. But I have some really nice options here that will help me get my text after all. As you can see, I can rotate, mirror, and invert the image. In my case, I need to rotate the image by 180 degrees, so let's do that. And here it is. The text volume graphics has been successfully recognized. Now, if you have more text or very curved text, you can create several ROIs that you can then select in these fields here. The text will be joined, and there will be a preview of the overall resulting text. To show you how this works, let's select the same ROI in the other two fields. And let's add a prefix and separators and a postfix. And I'm done. Now let's have a quick look at the result. In the scene tree, I'll double-click the volume to open the object properties. And look here. On the Component tab, I can find my information under Description. And that's it. You now have the text from the volume object that you can include in your report. Use as text overlay, or use to dynamically rename your volume objects. I hope you enjoyed this video. You'll find a list of all our tutorials on our documentation landing page via Help, Show Tutorials. Plus, make sure to register on Nexus and make it your go-to place for sharpening your expertise. Get access to this video and other information material to get the best out of our software. And visit the VG community to exchange ideas, ask questions, and discuss topics with other users and our Hexagon experts. And stay up to date on the latest news and developments. Register now, a world of insight awaits. Thanks for watching, and see you soon on Nexus.